Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download TradingView on your Windows PC or laptop in 2026. Now guys, if you need TradingView premium subscription link at 80% off discount, you can just check out the link of this particular deal down in the description. Only 2 days left, and if you are interested, you can just simply explore the offers. Now, in order to download TradingView on Windows PC, you have basically two options. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to look for this particular term, that is download TradingView desktop app. So here, once you search for this particular term, you just have to hit enter and you will find the first link. So it is from the official website of TradingView. There is also another link from Microsoft.com, so you can also open it in a new tab. Now here on tradingview.com, you just have to click on the option of download for Windows. Then the setup of TradingView will start to download over here. Now once it is downloaded successfully, you just have to double click on it, extract the information and install it on your PC or laptop successfully. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply install it via Microsoft. So here you can directly click on the option of install and its setup will install on your device. You will also see the inbuilt Microsoft store here in your Windows PC or laptop. So you can open it anytime. Make sure that you log in first. Then look for TradingView application and this is the app. Simply click on the option of get and it will be installed in your device in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.